carbocations are there and it is attached to the alkyl groups. In one hydrogen, alkyl D3 T3. So H T D. So T is more in weight. D is less than T and hydrogen is less than T in weight. So in these three, this all shows the plus I effect, and the plus I order is, if this shows more plus I, then CD3, then CH3, then hydrogen. So the stability of carbocation is directly proportional to the plus I effect. So it is more stable because it releases the more electron towards this. So it is more stable than CD3, then CH3, and then hydrogen. Right? So this is the stability order of this question. Now come to the third one. The third question is also the carbocation is there, but the related groups attached to this carbocations are different. Here is alkyl group. This shows plus I effect. And here is double bonded carbon group. This double bond shows minus I effect because it is somewhat electronegative. And here is the triple bonded carbons, so it shows minus I effect because it is electronegative group, right? And electronegativity of double bond is less than triple bond. Triple bond is much more electronegative than the double bond. It shows less. So, and here is neither kind of double bond and triple bond. Here is the alkyl group, and that shows the plus I effect. So the stability order is directly proportional to the carbocation stability order is directly proportional to the plus I effect and inversely proportional to the minus I effect. So it is more stable than double bond and triple bond. Double bond is more stable. It shows less minus I. It shows more minus I. Then it increases the positive charge. It decreases the electron density. So it becomes less stable. To the next question. These also the carbocation species. On the carbocation, alkyl groups are attached. Here also alkyl groups. Here also alkyl group. Here hydrogen. So positive charge. Carbocation is, the stability of carbocation is directly proportional to the plus I effect. So plus I effect, alkyl group shows plus I effect. So it is more alkyl group, more stable. 2 alkyl groups. Second number, 1 alkyl group, and then hydrogen. So this is the stability order of this question. Now come to the next question. Before come to the next question, I would like to ask you one thing, that if you like the questions, the method, please like, share and subscribe. Right? Okay. Now come to this next question. Next question is, it is also the carbocation, and carbocation stability is directly proportional to the plus I effect. And here the change is only hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. That means the hydrogen isotopes are changing. These three are the hydrogen isotopes, and tritium is more in weight than deuterium, then hydrogen. So it shows more plus I effect than CD3, then CH3. So it is more stable than this, than this. So these are the stability orders. Now come to the next. So here are some more questions. The first question is, it's anion and we have to find the stability order. So anion, carb anion, and we have to see whether resonance is there or not. If resonance is there, then it will become more stable, right? So here the negative sigma double bond that comes in the resonance here, the negative sigma, neither kind of resonance is there. So it is more stable than this. Now, in this species, second question, negative charge on both the species, but in this negative charge sigma double bond, the resonance is there, and here negative charge sigma double, neither kind of double bond is there or neither kind of resonance is there. So no resonance in this species the resonance is there, so this species becomes more stable than this one. Now come to the next question. In this question, the CH2 negative is same and phenyl group changes. Phenyl group increasing one by one. Hydrogens are replaced by the phenyl group. So phenyl group delocalizes the negative charge with it, and the negative charge on the carbon anion become in resonance with the benzene ring. So more benzene ring, more resonance. So more delocalization of the negative charge in the benzene ring. So it becomes more stable. So the more phenyl groups are with this species, so it is more stable than two phenyl groups. Here one phenyl groups, so it is less stable. Now come to this. So this one is based on the resonance. Now come to the next question. This question, the carbon ion is same with phenyl group, but here the groups are changed. This NH2 group shows plus M effect, and this CM group shows minus M effect. Halogen shows minus I effect. CH3 shows alkyl group, it shows plus I effect. And the stability of carbon ion, because the carbon ion species is same with attached to all the groups. So stability of carbon ion is directly proportional to the minus M upon plus M. Minus M shows more minus M, more stable will be the species, the carbon ion species, right? It is the stability of the carbon ion. So here, this shows the plus M effect. So it is reciprocal. It shows the minus M effect. The only species which shows the minus M effect is this. So this is the more stable among the all threes. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C, and it is D. Then the B species is more stable, right? The stability order will be B, then plus M, plus I, minus I effect then. So C, because the minus M, minus I, these attracts the electron and decreases the electron density in the group. Electron density decreases, the stability of carbon ion increases. That's why. So now plus I, plus M is more effective than plus I. So plus I reciprocal. So D species, and then the plus M effect. That means the A species. So this is the stability order of the given question, right? So come to the next. So here are some more questions. Now the first question is, this time the carbocations are there, right? And we have to find the stability order. So carbocation, here first the alkyl group is more, then plus I effect is more, and carbocation stability increases. But in this species, these two species, this positive charge come in resonance with this double bond, positive sigma and double bond. The resonance is there in this species, and here in this species only alkyl group is there, but neither kind of resonance is there. Resonance stabilized structure is always more stable, right? So here this is more stable, right? Now in this positive, second question, positive double sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond, double bond, resonance is there. Here positive charge, sigma bond and double bond, also resonance is there. But in this species, the first one species, the resonance is more, positive sigma double, again sigma double, so resonance is more, here resonance is less. So this species is more stable than this, because positive charge comes one time at this carbon, one time at this carbon, right? So come to the next question. This is the next question. Carbocation, phenyl group, two phenyls, three phenyls, and phenyl group delocalizes the positive charge in itself, right? So more resonance, more phenyl groups, more resonance, more delocalization of positive charge, and more stable will be the structure. So here this has 3 phenyl groups, so it becomes more stable. It has 2 phenyl groups, then 1 phenyl group only, right? So this is the stability order of this question. Now come to the next one. This next question also carbocation is there, but here phenyl groups are same, carbocation phenyl groups are same, and here is the groups attached are different, right? So in this group shows the plus M effect. This group shows NO2 minus M effect. This X shows minus I effect. And here is the alkyl group which shows plus I effect. And stability of carbocation is directly proportional to the plus M upon minus M, or plus I upon minus I effect, right? So the first one, if this is the A structure, if this is B, if this is C, if this is D, then the order of these will be directly proportional to plus M effect, and plus M effect is shown by the A structure. A will be more stable among all these. Then plus I, this will be on the second position. Now come to the minus I and minus M. Minus M is more effective than minus I. So minus I, then C, then the last is plus I, D. So this is the stability order of the given species, right? So move to the next questions. Beta, if you like the questions, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.